Basic operation. Press and hold the power button on the gimbal for a few seconds. When Ronin-SC emits a beeping sound, it is powered on. Press and hold the trigger. The LED will blink green, indicating that the camera's orientation is locked. Double tapping the trigger will recenter the camera. Triple tapping will turn the camera towards the user. Pressing the M button will switch between 3 customizable user profiles. This greatly improves shooting efficiency and is especially helpful when shooting scenarios change frequently or abruptly. Auto Tune. Pressing the trigger and the M button at the same time for 6 seconds will allow Ronin-SC to auto-tune. You can also select motor parameters in the Ronin app to turn on Auto Tune. After changing a camera or lens, you should perform Auto Tune, which enables the gimbal to adjust motor parameters according to the payload. System Calibration. Launch the Ronin app and select Status. Select System Calibration, tap Start Calibration, and the gimbal will perform a system calibration. If you notice the gimbal drifting, you can use this function to fix the issue. Joystick Calibration. Tap the trigger 4 times, holding on the last. The indicator will blink in sequence. You can then use to enter. Flashlight Mode. Press and hold the trigger, and then tilt Ronin-SC horizontally to go into flashlight mode. Underslung Mode. To transition quickly to underslung mode, press and hold the trigger and tilt Ronin-SC upside down. Alternatively, you can pause the motors by double tapping the gimbal power button and then tilt Ronin-SC upside down. Remember to rotate the gimbal's roll axis to ensure the camera is in an upright position. You can then double tap the power button to engage the motors for shooting.